Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news. Today, we've got some exciting rumors about the iPhone 16 that you're not going to want to miss. Let's dive right in. Rumors are swirling around the iPhone 16, and if these reports are true, we're in for some major design upgrades. Korean publication Elec recently published a report suggesting that select iPhone 16 models will feature an innovative screen technology resulting in slimmer bezels. This means more screen real estate without increasing the overall size of the phone. Apple has historically introduced display upgrades in its Pro line of products before trickling them down to lower-cost models. The Alex report mentions that display manufacturers have developed a novel border reduction structure technology. This tech enables more compact control circuitry, ultimately leading to those coveted slimmer bezels. But that's not all. We're also hearing rumors about larger screen sizes for the iPhone 16 Pro models. Display analyst Ross Young suggested that the iPhone 16 Pro could feature a 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max might boast a 6.9-inch display. This rumor was later corroborated by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who mentioned that the Pro models could grow by a couple tenths of an inch diagonally. So, what does this mean for you? Well, thinner bezels combined with larger screens could significantly enhance your viewing experience. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just browsing, the iPhone 16 Pro models promise to deliver more immersive content with less distraction from the frame. Apple has a track record of pushing the envelope with its display technology. Remember when they introduced the 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch screens with the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max back in 2020? These innovations often start with the Pro models before making their way to the standard versions. We expect the iPhone 16 to follow a similar path, starting with the Pro models. That's all we have for you today on the exciting rumors about the iPhone 16's design and display upgrades. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the iPhone 16 and other tech news. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What do you think about the rumored design changes? We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.